Hello Java aspirants, this is Gaurav, an expert Java trainer. As per high demand from many people, I am commencing the Java discussion from scratch. Let's keep wrapper classes topic on the table today for discussion. What are wrapper classes? A wrapper classes is a class whose object wraps or contains a primitive data type. When we create an object to a wrapper class, it contains a field, and in this field, we can store a primitive data type. Converting a primitive data type into an object is called boxing, and converting an object into corresponding primitive data type is called unboxing. Why do we need wrapper classes? They convert primitive data type into objects, and this is needed on internet to communicate between two applications. Also, the classes in java.util package handled only object, and hence wrapper class help in this case. So these wrapper classes are like number class. Number class is an abstract class whose subclass are byte, short, integer, long, float, and double. So methods of number class are commonly available in all these subclasses. Character class. This class wraps a value of the primitive type char in an object. It has only one constructor which accepts primitive data type. Next is byte class. The byte class wraps a value of the primitive type byte in an object. Byte class has two constructors. The first one takes byte number as its parameter and convert it into byte class object, and next one takes a string type parameter and convert that string into byte class object. Please try to understand that these two constructors can be seen in every wrapper class. This means every wrapper class contains two constructors. The first one takes the corresponding primitive data type and other take a string parameter. Apart from this, some wrapper classes have a third constructor also, but character class has only the first type of constructor. Next is short class. Short class wraps a value of the primitive type short into its object. Short class has two constructors. The first one takes short number as its parameter and convert it into short class object, and the next one takes a string type parameter and convert that string into short class object. Next is integer class. The integer class wraps a value of the primitive type int in an object. Integer class has two constructors. The first one takes int number as its parameter and convert it into integer class object, and next one takes a string type parameter and convert that string into integer class object. What happens if a string like hello is passed to parseInt method? Ideally, a string with an integer value should be passed to parseInt method. So on passing hello, an exception called number format exception occurs since the parseInt method cannot convert the given string hello into an integer value. Next is long class. The long class contains a primitive long type data. Long class also has two parameters. The first one takes long number as its parameter and convert it into long class object, and next one takes a string type parameter and convert that string into long class object. Another one is float class. The float class contains a primitive float type data in an object. Float class has three constructors. The first one takes float number as its parameter and convert it into float class object, and next one takes a double type number and convert into float class object, and then the third one takes a string type parameter and convert that string into float class object. Next is double class. The double class wraps a value of the primitive type double in an object. Double class has two constructors. The first one takes double number as its parameter and convert it into double class object, and the next one takes a string type parameters and convert that string into double class object. Another one is Boolean class. The Boolean class object contains a primitive Boolean type data. Boolean class also has two constructors. The first one takes Boolean number as its parameter and convert it into Boolean class object, and next one takes a string type parameter and convert that string into Boolean class object. Last is math class. The class math contains methods for performing basic numeric operations such as the elementary, exponential, logarithm, square root, and trigonometric methods. Note that all the methods of math class are static. Hence, we need not create an object to math class to call them. So this is all about wrapper classes. Thank you for watching my video. Please keep watching my more videos to learn Java in an easy way. You can send me an email for any query to my email ID goforelearning@gmail.com. Thank you.